folks. I don't know if you can hear it. It's probably a barred owl, but it's still, oh man. We're in muck. Yeah. This is Muck City in here. Kevin, is it wet up there?
Just stay to your right.
On this side.
Oh, it's higher ground.
Right there.
Higher ground.
Dry here too. It's dry over here as well, it looks like.
I want to get closer to that. Something's been moving through here. Look. See this? This is a trail. Boy, that owl. There's a theory that Bigfoots mimic the sounds of nature. That if you hear a barred owl, it may not be a barred owl. It could be their way of letting others know that someone's entered the area. Jesus. It's a little drier here. They were shooting me with their cameras as I was talking to them. I'm being followed by a two-man camera crew. Kevin, you hear that owl?
Yeah, it sounded like a car rattling on the road or something.
When, what Terry hear?
There's nothing here. It's pitch black.
Copy that.
She hear something?
It sounded like a car coming down the road, and she said it sounded like a train, but it sounded, I don't know, it sounded like metal rattling, something or other.
What's that stationary object in the sky?
That's either Venus?
Yeah. Saturn? I mean, Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Saturn is the morning star.
All right, Tim, what do you think?
Hold on a
Here's
second.
the road here.
What's the matter? There you go. Yeah, you're going to be glad I took these photos. Shows you guys out in the woods.
Okay. Here's
Yeah.
the road straight ahead. And then over here, if we go through here, we'll hit the blue trail.
Okay.
Let's go to blue trail. What do you think? That way the blue trail, this is the road.
What do you want to do?
I'd like to go to blue trail.